This is the only relaxation I ever get from my life of roast making. Hi, I'm Kat, and I love my Instant Pot, and I'm pretty sure my Instant Pot loves me back. Oh, who am I kidding? I know my Instant Pot loves me. We're in a committed relationship that is so secure, we've invited a few friends along today to help us out with an experiment involving pork. Which one of these devices, the Instant Pot, plain old Dutch oven, or a slow cooker, could most efficiently and pleasantly cook a pork shoulder? So, what we're gonna try here is a very, very simple pork shoulder recipe. We're actually gonna start with the Dutch oven and with the slow cooker because Instant Pot doesn't need a whole lot of time, hence the instant part of it. So we're just gonna put the pork shoulder into the slow cooker. By the way, you saw that I just touched raw pork with my bare hands. Of course I'm washing my hands in between each one of these shots. It's just too boring to show you. Into the Dutch oven, we're just gonna crack a tall boy of American beer and pour it over top of our friend here. A little bath. And some boxed chicken stock, because really, who has time? And some more over here. Each one of these gets 2 halves of an onion, some Worcestershire sauce, as much as brings you personal joy, right? We're just gonna pop this in the oven, 325, lowish and slowish for about 4 hours. And we'll see you later. This one we're gonna set on high I'm gonna go for 4 hours and see where those takes us. We're gonna use the same recipe that we used for both the slow cooker and the Dutch oven because we wanna make it equal across the board. It's not a competition, but also it is.
No one can beat a slow cooker.
Pork shoulder in. Nice tall boy of American beer. Some stock, onion halves, a healthy dose of Worcestershire sauce. Sing to me your little song. There we go. High pressure, beep, 1 hour. Beep, beep, beep. That is Instant Pot for I've got you. Your pork is safe with me. So right now, it's just a waiting game. All right, you know what time it is. Time to release the Instant Pot. This is the only relaxation I ever get from my life of roast making. And now it's time to test. We've got the Dutch oven shoulder, the Instant Pot shoulder, and the slow cooker shoulder. I gotta say, this one wins on visual appeal. Let's see what happens when I don't want to have to bust out a knife when I am eating pulled pork. I want it to be able to fall apart. Oh, the way it's sinking into that fat layer is a stunning thing indeed. Oh, look at that. So this was in the Dutch oven at 325 for 4 hours. This from our old pal Instant Pot, only in there for an hour, so it's drier. They had pretty much the same amount of liquid in there. The way it's pulling apart is not in as luscious a fashion. I'm not mad at it in the least bit. I couldn't be mad at Instant Pot. That's in the contract. Okay, let's get to the slow cooker one. Sort of a mix of the two. The way that the braising liquid evaporated is why you see some color difference there. But the important thing is, how does it taste? Dutch oven, it's almost rude how good that is. Instant Pot, come through for me. That is totally passable pork, especially for 1 hour. If somebody showed up with this, I wouldn't kick them out. I'm just not rude like that. All right, slow cooker, what you got? This has more of a roasted pork quality as opposed to braised. It's perfectly delicious. Texturally, you know, it just feels like a different animal than these two. Do I have to pick a winner? So our 4-hour Dutch oven slow cooker is our winner for deliciousness, appearance, all of the above. My pal Instant Pot, my beloved Instant Pot, in no way failed me. This took a quarter of the time of these 2 other pork shoulders, so you did good, baby, you did good. There are few better feelings in the universe than coming into your home and having pork waiting for you. So what's the moral of all this? I don't know. Pork is great, pork shoulders are great. Do you need an Instant Pot? Again, need is relative. I need you. That's all I know.